Islamic warrior Saladin conquered the Crusaders and took control of Jerusalem. He entered into an agreement that the Muslims would protect the Christian churches. And so he appointed two Muslim families. Both of these families have been in Jerusalem for close to 1,000 years. And each generation has passed down
the key.
The key.
Right.
The physical key. Mr. Judah said that the key he presently has is 800 years old. He had another key, but it broke.
This is a Muslim. I mean,
yes.
To be Judah is a Muslim. And he said it's a great honor for a Muslim to hold the key to the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, which is the most important church in Christendom. That's not disrespect.
We don't hear this in America. We don't hear it because what we have been told is Christian Americans, you should hate Muslims, you should kill Muslims because